Hello dear soulmates. So here's a quick tutorial on how to make a side train. What I did first was to measure how long I want the train to be. It could be fixed at the back, at the side, or anywhere you deem it fits. So I took the length of the side train, which for me was 58, after which I folded my fabric as bias folding, just as seen on the video. You fold it into two in a triangular form. It's called the bias fold. And you fold it using the length of the train, the exact length you measured. Just watch what I'm doing here. So you measure it from the tip of the fabric to the edge. Then you fold from the side to meet that measurement you just marked. Yeah, you also measure the same length around the fabric, the same way you measure your flare cut. But before that, you'd have folded the fabric into two first. So I'm carefully doing that because it's a drapey fabric. I used the Duchess material, so it could be very slippery. So after folding into two, like I said earlier, in a triangular form, or you call it a bias fold, you measure from the tip of the fabric you folded to all the sides using that same measurement you just took. Mine was 58, so I'll be marking 58 all around this train as you see me do. It's very easy and quick to follow, and it beautifies any dresses you put it on. So I went ahead to mark the 58 inches all around until I got to the end of the triangle fold, after which I connect all the marked points with my chalk to give it a circular feel on the downside. It's that simple, easy and quick. So I'm getting my scissors down to cut through. So you cut exactly the circular part you just marked. You cut it round to give it that flowing look on the down part. For the upper part, if you be placing it on probably a round surface, you could trim off a little, but I'll be leaving the tip of my fabric or the upper part like that. All I need to do is to just pin it to wherever I want it to be pinned to. Then either I use my sewing machine to sew it down, or I attach it. I just untack it to the dress. So yeah, I was seeing the beauty I just created. See how flowing it is? With just that quick tip, you are done with your train already, and it will look so beautiful. For the roundness of it, you could decide to just interlock the fabric around, then iron. I'll fold once and just stitch around it. So yeah, I was done with all of that. So here's my model. After I was done with that dress, I attached the train I just made as well. It was her birthday, so we had to give her a good simple princess look for her 18th birthday. So see how fluffy and beautiful the train looks, draped so well and so beautiful. So here's my beautiful client on her birthday, rocking the train, so beautiful and classy. Okay, I'll also be dropping a tutorial on how I made her hand glove as well. Please stay tuned. Do like, subscribe, share. I'll be back very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.